Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 HOE to Store. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Web Development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 HOE to Store. Increase the font size of this title and highlighted this for a proper view in my video. Okay, this is the title of assignment. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on next instructions. Okay, increase the font size of instruction file for a proper view in my video. Then I will highlight it step by step question and you can follow my video and you can run your assignment by watching this video. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 HOE to store. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson MyItLab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from MyItLab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. You can see this my file Excel workbook I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Now we will move on to the next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 2. Question number 2 is that you would like to set page break on the June totals worksheet to allow the document to print without splitting transactions rate. Okay. Modify the existing page break to ensure that 613 and 624 transaction dates print on the same page. Basically in this question we will have to modify the existing page break. Okay, 613 we will select this date, we will go to the total June's worksheet and then we will modify the existing page break to ensure the 613 and 624 transaction date print on the same page. Okay, follow my video. We will select this date 6. Okay, 6/24 2024 and then we will go to the view tab. In the workbook view group click on page break preview. Okay, we will existent page break. Six 13 and 6/24 transaction date print on the same page. 6/13 and 6/24. Where is 6/13? Where is 6/13? Okay, 1 second. Here is 6/13. You can see this is the 6/13/2024 and then now 6/24. This is the first 6/13. Second is 6/24. Okay, this is the 6/24 2024. We will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group click on break button, click on insert page break. This is good. Now I have done this question. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Now we will go to the file tab. In the print, click on print button. Now we will print both page on the same page, both breaks on the same page. We will print this, click on 2 and 3. Okay, Now we will move on next question. I have done this question. Question number 3 is that create a copy of the June totals worksheet and name its June first totals. Basically in this question we will have to create a copy of June totals worksheet and name it June first total. We will go to our Excel workbook, right click on June totals worksheet, tap and click on remove or copy button. Click on the create a copy checkbox, then we will click on OK button. Okay. Copy is created now for of the June work total sheet. Now its name is first June first total. Now we will rename of this sheet June first totals. Right click on this, click on rename button. We rename this June first total. This question is done now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 4 of this assignment. Question number 4 is that return to the June total worksheet. When printed, you would like the title to be preserved. Set the title in row 5 and column A to B to repeat when printed. Additionally, set the print order to print over the down. We will set the title. First point is that return to June's total worksheet. We will click on the June total worksheet, then June total worksheet will be displayed. Okay. Set the titles in row 5 and column A to B to repeat when printed. Select the row 5, go to the page layout tab in the page setup group and go to the sheets. We will row to repeat top is row 5, select row 5 and then column to repeat. We will click on OK button first and then we will select column A to B to repeat when printed. Column A to B. Then we will again go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. We will go to the sheet and click on column. Now we will select column A and B. Now we will click on OK button. This is done now. Additionally, set the print order to print over then down. Okay, we will click on the sheet and then down then over. Click on this checkbox down, print over then down. Over then down, we will click on this checkbox. Over then down, click on OK button. Okay, I have done this question. Now we will move on. The next question of this assignment is question number 5. I have done 3 questions so far of this assignment. Question number 5 is that you would like to convert the data set to a table in order to add aggregations, structure references and table style. Convert the range A5 to K110 to a table. Okay. Be sure to include columns labels. Name the table totals and apply the table style light yellow table style 19. Basically, in this question, we will convert the data to a table. We will select this range A5 to K110. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will select this range A5 to K110. Now we will go to the insert tab and then we will convert this data to a table. In the insert tab, go to the tables group, click on table button, click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. Okay, the next is that be sure to include columns labels, names the table totals and apply the table style yellow table style light 19. Now we will assign a name of this table to totals. We will go to the table design tab in the properties group, click on table name box and then we will assign this table name to a totals. Press enter. This table will be assigned a name to total. And apply the table style light yellow table style light 19. Now we will apply the table style. We will go to the table style. We will go to the light style and then we will apply light yellow table style 19 in the lights group. Okay. we will select first this table, 1 second, and then we will apply this table style. One second, some issues in my network maybe. Okay, this is good now. I have applied light style yellow. I have applied table style light yellow, table style light 19. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is that you don't need the sales first column to reduce the size of the data set. You will remove the column. The main point of this question is that delete the sales first column from the table. We will select the sales first column and then we will simply delete this. Where is sales first column? We will select this column and then go to the home tab in the styles group. 1 second. And then we will delete this sales first column in this table. Go to the home tab, click on delete button and then delete tables column. We will click on this button, delete table column. This column will be deleted from this table. Now moving on, the next question is question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 7 is that you need to document the rebate information and total purchase price. To do so, you will add 2 new columns to the data. Type rebate in cell K5 and OID in cell L5. Set the width of column I to J to auto fit. Basically in this question, first we will click on cell K5 and then we will type rebate in cell K5. We will go to our table, click on cell K5, we will type rebate in cell K5. Okay, and then we will go to our table and then click on cell L5 and then we will type OID in cell L5. We will type OID in cell L5. In the formula bar we will type OID. Okay, set the width of column add and J to auto fit. We will select this two column, I and J, and then we will go to the home tab in the cells group, click on format button and then click on auto fit column width. Both column will be adjusted on auto fit column width. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 8. The question number 8 is that you notice you are missing records 2024-068 and 2024-105. You will manually add the records back to the table. Insert a row in the tables at row 73 and row 112. Enter the following records. Row 73, 2024 0686 2022 2024 Shah collective weights and all this record. Basically in this question we will have to add a row in the table row 73 and row 112. Okay, we will have to add these two rows. Row 73, click on the row 73 and right click on row 73, click on insert button. New row will be inserted. Now we will have to add new records for row 73. First record is 2024-068. Okay, we will have to add a first record in here. Then we will have to add a second record 6/2022/2024. 6/2022/2024. And then we will have to add a third record. The third record is given in the instruction, you can see this, and then we will have to add the third record for this row 73 row. Shah, we will have to add this record. The new record is sales list Shah. Okay, and then we will have to add the next collectibles. Okay, copy and simply paste here, and then 1014 is the next record. In the formula bar we will simply copy and paste. The next is metal. And the so next is store credit. and the standard, and for $16.99. Next record is for, okay, now we will have to insert a new row, row 112. Right click on row 112 and then we will enter this record in cell 1, sorry, A1, and then next record is 6/30/2024. Simply we will add all this record. Okay, now we will second column, we will enter MC Goen, okay, MC Goen for the next record. Okay, so next is action figures. The next is action figures, and the so next is 10:15, 10:15. Okay, the next is metal and next is store credit. Next is metal. In the formula bar, we'll copy and paste. And the next is store credit. Okay, the promotion in the next. Promotions. And the so next is that one and the last is $13.49. The next is one and last is $13.49. You can see I have add all record for row 73 and row 112. The next is that question number 9. You notice there are duplicates value in the table needs to be removed. Remove all duplicates value from the table. Simply we will remove all duplicates record or values from the tables. We will go to the view tab. We will select this table and then we will go to the view tab. Okay, one second, give me a second to select complete table first and then we will remove all duplicates value. Sorry, in the go to the table design tab, in the tools group click on remove duplicates button. Okay, we will click on OK. Two duplicates value found and 105 is unique. You can see I have done this question so well. I have done 9 questions in my video. Total question of this assignment is 21. I have done 9 to 10 questions. It means I have done 50 to 60% assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on MyItLab, Pearson, Engagement Tab, MC Grail, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.